I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow collard greens from seed, only way. Start by selecting certified seed and preparing a light, well-draining mix. Sow seeds 3-5 inches apart in trays or flats and cover lightly. Keep soil temperature near 70 degrees F and maintain even moisture for consistent germination. Thin seedlings to strongest plants and harden off before transplanting outdoors into full sun with rich, amended soil. For sowing, place seeds 1/4 inch deep in moist seed mix and gently firm the surface. Keep trays warm and covered until sprouts appear, checking daily for moisture. Once seedlings show true leaves, uncover and provide bright light or a grow lamp on a 16-hour cycle. Avoid overwatering to prevent damping off and rotate trays for even growth. Harden seedlings for 7 to 10 days before moving outdoors to reduce transplant shock. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more gardening tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy up after gardening so easy. It helps keep your floors seed-free and your shed tidy, which I love. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Transplant collards when seedlings have 3 to 4 true leaves and feel sturdy. Plant into rich, well-drained soil with 12 to 18 inches between plants for good airflow. Water deeply at the soil level and mulch to retain moisture while suppressing weeds. Feed with a balanced organic fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks or side dress with compost. Monitor for pests like cabbage worms and pick them off, using row covers if needed for protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.